we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming. Something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do, I ain't over you. I ain't over, I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. Give it time, things will settle. Just a face till it's better, yeah. Heard it all before. Even though we were toxic, feels the most when you've lost it. That's just how it goes. I'm still feeling lonely, can't get back to the old me. I'm stuck in way too deep. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do, I ain't over you. I ain't over, I ain't over.
Galicia na tayo. Uminom lang ako ng ano, bumili pala ako ng Gatorade para hindi tayo ma-dehydrate. Ayun. Water break muna. Medyo mahaba-haba pa. Pupunta nga pala tayo ng San Mateo, Isabela. Tapos iikot na siguro tayo ng Kabatuan. Tapos balik tayo ng Kawayan. Biglaan ride. Nakaisip. Shout out doon kay sa mga kasamahan ko, si Ode Lawatsero, Becoming Lawatsero, tapos kay Chad Manibelang Gala. Yun, hindi ko na sila naaya. Biglaan. Tinanghali na rin ako na alis. So yun, tuloy natin yung mamaya papunta ng San Mateo. Bale, kukuha ako ng drone footage ng San Mateo, kaya naisipan ko na rin mag-bike para double purpose na yung biyahe. Ayun, konting tsaga-tsaga lang, medyo malayo pa.
Sweetheart, hit a mist.
halfway na tayo sa papuntang San Mateo. water brake. Medyo malayo-layo pa ng konti. Naninibago. Lalo na wala namang ensayo. Ayun. Sarap dito, medyo malilim lang, may mga puno. Pahinga ng konti, tapos biyaya na ulit. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa San Mateo. Malapit na rin Malobat.
get no rest. No, no, I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no, the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah, I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no, it ain't easy, darling, when the devil's on my trail. Oh yeah.
Ano, ito yung manang? Ano po?
Ay, gulay sir. Lumpiang gulay.
Lumpiang gulay. Ito po.
Siya rin po.
Pareho lang din. Isa nga po niyan. Tsaka po isa nitong itlog.
Yung dalawa sir o tatlo?
Yung dalawa lang po.
Sabi.
Magkano po yung buko nyo eh?
Isa po sir.
Hindi po, yung
Ay,
30.
30.
Sige po, isa. Wait lang. Yun. Patay tayo dyan. Oh. Lat na. 7. Patay tayo lang. Kain muna tayo.
Bistro natin, sir.
Opo, sige po. Kain muna tayo. Mamaya na natin problemahin niya. Nagugutom na ako. Order ako ng buko, lumpia, gulay, tsaka yung itlog. Problema ko ngayon, yung bike flat. Ayan na. Tayo na. Kain muna tayo. Dyan, ewan ko kung gaano kalayo. Yung pinuntahan mo, naplan na dun sa malayo, hindi ganun din, babalik ka rin dun sa sakyan.
It won't go away. I got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body. So tell.
Konti na lang, konti na lang. Approaching na ako ng Luna. Ayan, sa may intersection. Init.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. going crazy for you. I still like the ocean.